Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Okay, so we'll be quick with this video. So today I'll be showing you actually an airdrop site actually that is about to be launched. So guys, it's better you guys come into it now. So they are going live on their pre-sale on November, and we are in October already. So you can still come in now and accumulate as much coin as you can before the airdrop site. You can still come in now and accumulate as much coin as you can before their pre-sale or their before they come live. So the name of this site is called Asga. That's the one on my screen, the one I'm moving right here. That's the name of the mining platform. Mind you, I'll be dropping the link to the link to this app in the description. So make sure when you do it, I'll be also leaving. As you can see, my referral code is at the corner of the video. Make sure to check it and use my referral code on it to support me. And you want to use a referral code to be giving you a bonus to kickstart your mining. So, but if you do not use a referral code, they won't be giving you any bonus to kickstart your journey. Okay. So come when open it, once you download that, this is how the interface will look like. So if you are coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Mr. Money, and what I do on this channel is give tips on how to make money online. Make sure to join my Telegram community where I do share a lot more updates like this online. So make sure to do join it so you won't miss out. The link of the Telegram community is also down below this video. Okay, now actually this is my dashboard. As you can see, I have accumulated over 231 Asga Token, and it's actually still counting. Okay, today I'll be walking you through both the app and how to withdraw from it. Very easy. So, and the withdrawal process actually very easy. So once you create an account with this platform, these are your interviews. After creating an account, you come to mining. You can see it mines after every 24 hours. Now my mining is going to stop in 5 hours 15 minutes 5 seconds. Then I will start mining all over again. Okay, come to one network. Now this is your referral. Now actually this is also my referral code. It's also down below. So the moment you use the referral code, you can see that you and your friend gets 100 free Asgard when your friend join Asgard network community using a referral code. So make sure to use my referral code. I'll be dropping down in the description, and also at the corner of the screen right here is showing my referral code. Make sure to use it. That's for that. Come back to your dashboard. You can see there's a wallet at the top right corner of the app. There's a wallet there. Click on it. Sorry, interruption earlier. So click on the wallet. So once you click on the wallet, you can see your total mine Asga token withdrawn not yet available. So like I said earlier, their pre-sale is being launched November. So guys, you need to rush into this and accumulate as much token as you can. Accumulate. See, if you start now, see, the best time for you to start was yesterday, and you couldn't do. But the next best time for you to start is now. So if you start now, you can accumulate over close within a space of few days. You can accumulate over $200 to $100. Let's say $200 to $500 to show how if you are that serious on it. So you can see very well. You can see refer. Okay, and then these are steps to unlock withdrawal. When all these steps are complete, so you need to refer 5 trusted users, mine 90 times. I need to mine token 90 times on your app. Come with your app and mine 90 times. Then when they have started their pre-sale, when they have launched their KYC, then you need to verify your KYC. Then that's all. You can see withdrawal lock phase 8 in the future phase after token launch. Stay active to maximize your reward. They are doing their pre-sale on November, guys. So you guys need to rush into this platform right now and start making money on it. See, just like other platforms. So you can see there are other active miners right here. Look at it, so to show that you're not only the only one mining right here. There are other active people that are also mining from this same platform. So guys, so better rush into this now and start earning from it. So if you have gained value from this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you get more updates on when I post about how to make money online. And make sure to also join my community, Telegram community, to get more and more updates. See you there.